Welcome to BN Car Info, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, specs, and updates. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay ahead with detailed insights, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. Today, we'll dive into the all-new 2025 G-Wagon Brabus, a masterpiece that combines luxury, power, and customization like never before. The 2025 G-Wagon Brabus is the ultimate statement vehicle for those who want exclusivity, performance, and unmatched craftsmanship. Brabus has taken the already iconic Mercedes-Benz G-Class and elevated it to an entirely new level. It's not just about bold aesthetics but also engineering upgrades that make it stand out in every way. From the exterior to the interior and the performance under the hood, the G-Wagon Brabus is built to impress. Starting with its design, the 2025 model is a visual stunner. Brabus has given the G-Wagon an aggressive and sporty look, featuring a custom wide-body kit with carbon fiber elements, large air intakes, and unique LED lighting accents. The bold front grille with the Brabus logo and the oversized wheels contribute to its commanding road presence. You'll notice the striking forged alloy wheels, ranging up to 24 inches, wrapped in high-performance tires that further enhance its rugged appeal. The matte and metallic paint finishes are customizable, allowing owners to personalize their vehicle to their tastes. Interior design. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 G-Wagon Brabus is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Brabus offers handcrafted leather upholstery with an extensive choice of colors, stitching patterns, and material combinations. Every detail is meticulously designed, from the aluminum pedals to the illuminated door sills. The dashboard is equipped with the latest infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display, advanced connectivity options, and support for voice commands. Rear passengers are treated to exceptional comfort with options for individual reclining seats and entertainment screens. Ambient lighting with customizable colors adds to the sophisticated vibe, making the cabin a perfect blend of comfort and high-tech innovation. When it comes to performance, the 2025 G-Wagon Brabus doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you can expect significant upgrades over the standard G-Class. Brabus offers a range of engine options, including a heavily tuned V8 or even a hybrid configuration for those looking for power with a touch of efficiency. With up to 900 horsepower and immense torque, this beast accelerates with authority, delivering a thrilling driving experience whether on city streets or rugged terrains. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while the reinforced braking system provides confidence and control. Brabus has also optimized the exhaust system for a deep and aggressive sound, which perfectly matches its sporty personality. The off-road capability of the 2025 G-Wagon Brabus remains impressive. It features advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive, locking differentials, and improved ground clearance to tackle any terrain with ease. Whether you're navigating city traffic, cruising on highways, or venturing into challenging off-road trails, this SUV performs effortlessly. Brabus has ensured that while adding luxury and performance, the G-Wagon retains its rugged DNA. Safety has also been prioritized with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation. These features, combined with its robust build quality, make the 2025 G-Wagon Brabus as safe as it is stylish and powerful. If you're someone who values individuality and performance, the 2025 G-Wagon Brabus is undoubtedly a vehicle worth considering. It's more than just an SUV, it's a statement of success, style, and innovation. Thank you for tuning in to BN Car Info. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest cars in the market. We're here to keep you informed and entertained, so stay connected and see you in the next video.